In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your direct deposit form from Chase. The process is really simple, and you can do it right from the Chase mobile app. First, log in to your Chase mobile banking account. Once you're on the dashboard, select the account that you want the direct deposit form for. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you'll see an option that says Direct Deposit Form. Tap on it. Now, you'll be taken to a new screen where you can review the information linked to your account. Scroll down and tap on Create Form. Chase will then generate a direct deposit form for you with all of the details you need, including your account number, routing number, and bank information. This form is usually in PDF format, so you can either download it straight to your phone, email it to yourself, or print it out if you need a physical copy. One great thing about this feature is that it saves you the hassle of writing down your account details manually or waiting in line at a branch to request paperwork. Everything you need is automatically filled out for you, which helps reduce errors and makes it faster to hand over to your employer, a payroll department, or even government agencies if you're setting up benefits. And if you ever need to update your form in the future, you can repeat the same steps in just a few seconds, making the whole process much more convenient. It's also worth noting that some employers accept the digital version of the form, so you don't even need to print it out. Just email it directly to HR, and you're done. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.